What's up, guys? Welcome back to another KOFFI NOIR unboxing. I did a video a couple days ago, letting you guys know that I was waiting on the second part of a client's order to arrive. Not only did that one client's order arrive, actually my other client's order arrived as well. So looks like we're gonna have another double unboxing. So, I'm super excited, and let's dive in. Boom. There we go. The gold elephant. KOFFI NOIR. Boom. Let's pop this open real quick. Of course, complimentary shoehorn, as always. Let's dive in. I think this is, Okay, so as you guys may know already, I have a sneaker similar to this already. It was like my first sample I made, and it involved, leopard. And someone wanted to order a blue leopard. Wow, look at this. So I'm gonna, I think I have it here. Let me show you what it looks like. When I first launched this, launched KOFFI NOIR, I had made a sample sneaker. This was, the first sneaker I made, or whatnot. Let me pull it down real quick. This was the first sample I had made. It's a double monk Kwesi Belgian slipper, basically. I want to do the leopard with the ox blood suede, and I had some orange lining here and there. But I always thought about doing something like this with this blue leopard. I thought it would be dope. But nonetheless, I created this for myself. I think I'm gonna actually put this up on the site and maybe take pre-orders or something for it, or folks can, make it available so folks can order it. But yeah, this is like one of my favorite sneakers, and because this was the first, so but nonetheless, let's dive in. Let's look at this sneaker. So as you can see, our client has a pretty large foot. He ordered a size 12 double E or whatnot, and I told him that we can make it wide for him. I believe we can go up to a triple E in our sneakers and some of our other selected shoe models. So as you can see here, we got the margam sole. It's cemented. It's actually cemented down and then hand stitched around or whatnot. So that's what keeps the quality of this sneaker. Man, I'm just super impressed. We got the orange suede on here, gold buckles. What's dope about this Belgian sneaker, the Kwesi, is, this is a very, springtime, summertime shoe. You can pretty much, this is a statement shoe, right? When you're out, very casual, events like picnics, maybe festivals, maybe going to, a club or something like that, or you're just going to hang out with friends. This is a very good, statement sneaker. Super comfortable, and I can't wait to see his reaction when he get these in hand. Wow, these came out really good. I'm super impressed. This guy got some really big feet, by the way, but it's all good. I can't wait for him to put these on. And so let's check the other sneaker real quick, and then we can pop open the other shoe. Wow. I'm super impressed. We got the KOFFI NOIR, got the elephant in here, as you guys can see. This came out real nice. Soft lining. good. Wow. I cannot wait until he tries these on. Yep. Wow. Okay, so let's set these to the side and then pull out the other shoe. Again, you see the gold elephant. Yep, this is a Belgian slipper. I believe I pulled out, I showed you guys a couple days ago the wide version of this patent leather Belgian sneaker. But here we go. So this right here is the standard D version of that Belgian sneaker. Of the Belgian loafer. The client was worried about it being like really tight in this area of the slipper. So I ordered for him a wide double E version of this Belgian slipper. So you guys have seen pretty much this the other day already. So, there's not too much to show you here. I just want to make sure, all the details are here. Everything looks clean. Yeah. Yeah, this came out real good. We got the Nubia shoe trees in here. Awesome. Now let's check this other shoe. And yeah, we'll be good to go. Boom. Wow, this is beautiful. I like the Belgian slipper. A lot of people sleep on this shoe. You most definitely are going to turn heads when you pull up in a pair of these. So, yeah, without a shadow of a doubt, I know our client is going to be very, very satisfied once he, dons this pair of slippers. So, yeah, everything looks good. Wow, I'm just super excited. I can't wait for him to try these on. I really can't wait. Yeah, I know some of you guys are wondering why come this pair of shoes has shoe trees and this one doesn't. I usually give clients the option to order a pair of shoe trees to come with their shoes. For a pair of shoe trees with KOFFI Noir, they run you about $90 or so. Because me personally, I think it is worth it, considering that, this is something that's going to help maintain the longevity and the integrity of your shoes. But some people, may or may not want to have that a part of their order. But, so some clients, when I do these unboxings, will have their shoe trees already with their shoes. And some clients most likely won't. But you can always add shoe trees to your order on the website. Yeah, thanks for joining us. That was the unboxing for KOFFI Noir. Please subscribe, like, share, especially share this video with someone that's really interested in a pair of really nice shoes. And we got them covered. All right, thanks for checking out, today's unboxing with KOFFI Noir, and you guys have a wonderful evening. Stay blessed.